Let's do some breath work together. So this is called box breathing or square breathing, and it kind of depends on what school of thought the person is coming from, what they call it. It's the same thing though. Separated into four counts. Inhale, hold, exhale, hold, repeat. It's for 4 counts each. Let's do it together. Alright, sit up nice and straight, nice and tall. Support the core, elongate the spine, relax the shoulders, down away from the ears. Unclench your jaw. Breathe in. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale and keep repeating as many times as you need to until you feel better. I like doing this if I'm winded after a workout, before I go to bed, or if I'm feeling stressed. The counting, the grounding, the oxygen to your brain and muscles. It's all kinds of goodness going on.